Your toilet isn't just a fixture, it's a lifeline in your home or business. When it fails, everything stops. When it breaks, stress builds. But here's the truth. In Moreno Valley, you don't have to panic anymore. Pure Valley Plumbing is here for you, and we mean right now. For 7 years, we've been the trusted name in Moreno Valley. 120 skilled professionals, 5 fully equipped service vans. One mission: to restore your peace of mind faster than you can imagine. Whether it's a toilet that won't stop running, a complete replacement that's overdue, or an emergency at 2 in the morning, we're ready. We're always ready. Think about what a broken toilet means. Disrupted mornings, lost productivity, frustrated customers walking into your commercial space, embarrassment, inconvenience. But those days are over. When you call Pure Valley Plumbing, you're not just getting a quick fix. You're getting expert solutions backed by master-level certification, EPA lead-safe expertise, and decades of combined knowledge. Our technicians arrive prepared. Our vans are fully loaded. Our response is lightning fast. Guaranteed service within 60 minutes for emergencies. No guessing games. No amateur hour. Just professional craftspeople who've handled thousands of toilet repairs and replacements across Moreno Valley. Cracked bowls, seal failures, complete replacements. We've got you covered with precision, speed, and guarantees that mean something. Here's what makes us different. We're local. We're bonded and insured with $2 million in liability coverage because we take our responsibility seriously. We're certified. We're experienced. We're not some out-of-area outfit. We're your neighbors, serving your community since 2018. Businesses trust us. Residents trust us. Seniors trust us because we give them 10% off. Military families trust us because they earn that respect. Your toilet situation doesn't have to spiral into a nightmare. One phone call changes everything. One conversation with Pure Valley Plumbing puts you back in control. We handle everything from basic repairs to complete toilet replacement installations. We offer 12-month warranties on parts and labor because we believe in standing behind our work. Your satisfaction isn't guaranteed. It's guaranteed. Moreno Valley, this is your moment. Stop tolerating broken toilets. Stop accepting mediocre service. Stop settling for anything less than expert plumbing solutions from professionals who actually care about getting it right the first time. Pure Valley Plumbing. Licensed, certified, local, available 24/7. Emergency or routine, same level of excellence every single time. Your home deserves it. Your business demands it. Moreno Valley deserves Pure Valley Plumbing. Make the call. Experience the difference that real expertise, real speed, and real local service can make. We're standing by, ready to restore your peace of mind right now.